1 and 2. 1 and 6, roll the dice. Dude, I love craps, dude. I think that's actually kind of cool. This game's kind of cool, dude. The craps games, dude.
xQc.
I didn't go to casino that often, but I went to the casino, dude. I always made sure that I would at least roll the dice a couple times. What is that? Roulette to that number? 1 and 38. Yo, 1 and 72 is not even that bad, is it? That's pretty good, actually. At 1 and 332. That's impossible. Fuck off. Royal flush, here comes chat. Wait, really?
Incoming call from
650,000!
Message. Hey Felix, you were supposed to give me the sex yesterday, but you blew me off to play fucking Lego Star Wars like
Scratch card. 1 in 4 million. Lucky for life. Wait a minute, wait a minute. That's even a thing? 25k a year? For life? Want to play paper please? I don't know. That's pretty cool. I think there's a rule, it's like Jesus! That's a scamaz, dude. That is a pure scam. Powerball. $292 million. Mega Millions. That's not that bad. McDonald's Monopoly. Chat. Imagine how many employees they have working, all these odds and shit, right? That worked there and did all the statistics, dude. Wouldn't it be kind of fun to do that? Be kind of fun to work there. To know how much they're selling and how much, you know. No? Okay.
xQc, have you ever watched Breaking Bad, and if you did, thoughts on the show?
1 in 2 billion, 7 million 50. Complete a randomly minesweeper on beginner. Two-time lottery winner. 4 trillion. Bingo. Car with 24 numbers. Sequentially. Okay, dude. Okay, dude. Randomly. Complete suits.
Nearly 1 year xQc.
Guys, these numbers make no sense at all, dude. We've seen a video on this before. On this, that was a really good video. Okay, this is way too dank.
Hi xQcOW.
It's gonna be a joke. Okay, dude. Wait, what? Okay, every time you win the Powerball, twice a week. Fuck off. You guys don't remember? We watched a video about this, about the cards. Like, you guys remember this video, right? It was a really fucking good video. It was really good.
Meanwhile, the probability of dying in a car crash is in 100. People say it won't be me, but buy a lottery ticket every day because they might win Pepega clap LLLLLL.
Yeah, driving a car makes me scared, dude. It's not because you could be a bad driver or you could crash. It's that every second you're on the road, it means that you trust every single driver that's around you at every given moment, and you trust their abilities and their rationalness, dude, at all times, and that's just scary, dude.
Thanks for letting me stay in this jungle.
This just kind of sounds scary to me.